Hi my YouTube family, this is Melody from Home Garden and Fashion. I thank you so much for being here today. Today we're going to have a wonderful time together. Hi, today we're going to make the best chickpea curry ever. This chickpea curry is very tasty. So we have one 16-ounce can of chickpea which is drained and washed, then one tomato seeded and finely chopped, then we have one onion, one or two onion chopped, and 4-5 cloves of garlic chopped or grated, and one ginger chopped and grated, and one green chili pepper. I'll put all this in a blender and I'll blend it up, and after that in a skillet I put 2 tablespoons of olive oil, pinch of asafoetida, half teaspoon cumin seeds, and 2 bay leaves. And once this splatter gives a nice aroma, then I'm adding the blended liquid has 2 onion and 4 cloves of garlic, 1 inch ginger, 1 green chili pepper, and 1 tomato, all this paste. And to that I'm adding the spices. The spices are 1 teaspoon salt, garam masala, red chili powder, half a teaspoon turmeric, half a teaspoon black pepper, 1 teaspoon garam masala, 1 teaspoon cumin and coriander powder, grounded freshly, 1 teaspoon vegetable masala. And I'm going to cook this one until they are fried in that oil, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and it leaves out the oil when the oil separates from the masala. So the process will take about 5 to 10 minutes, and keep your flame low to medium. Do not make it too high or this will burn the spices. So at the end I'm going, when the spices are totally fried and the oil will separate from the spices, that time I'm going to add 1 small potato cut in little cube, and then I'm going to add my chickpea and 2 tablespoons of chopped cilantro. So I'll add the half of it, and half of it for keep it for garnish. So I'll add 1 tablespoon and 2 cups of water. After I fried the chickpeas and potatoes with cilantro leaves and the masala for about 5 minutes, then I'm going to add 2 cups of water, and then after this I will cover it up for 10 minutes or so until the potatoes are fully cooked and chickpeas also gets mixed with the spices. So around 10 minutes will be enough, 10 to 15 minutes, and then as we cover it and it will be cooked, and then I will show you in a plate. I'll serve it, and this is the tastiest chickpea. Here it is, and you can add some more cilantro leaves and eat it with your basmati rice or brown rice. So thank you so much. Don't forget to like. Hi, thank you so much for being here today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and share this video. Thank you. May God bless you all.